Did you know that the virtual assistant industry is projected to grow by a whopping 41% from 2020 to 2028? That's right. The digital world is hungry for VAs, and it's only getting hungrier. But here's the kicker. You don't need a fancy degree or years of experience to get in on this action. Today we're diving into the world of remote work and digital hustle. Virtual assistants isn't just a job. It's your ticket to flexibility, growth, and endless opportunities. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or career switcher, this guide is your first step to VA success. That's right. Today I'll take you to how to be a virtual assistant without experience. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the Thrive Wise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. Now, I know what you're thinking. But I don't have any experience. How could I possibly become a virtual assistant? Well, let me tell you. That's the biggest myth in the VA world, and we're about to bust it wide open. Many people believe that to be a virtual assistant, you need years of admin experience, a degree in business, or tech skills that would make Silicon Valley jealous. But here's the truth bomb. You don't need any of that to get started. The real challenge isn't lack of experience. It's overcoming the mental barriers and self-doubt that hold you back. You might be thinking, who would even hire me? Or I don't have any special skills. But guess what? You've got more skills than you realize. And there are clients out there who need exactly what you have to offer. The problem is that many potential VAs get stuck in this loop of thinking they need experience to get hired, but they can't get experience without getting hired. It's a classic catch-22 that keeps talented individuals from pursuing this exciting career plan. But fear not, we're about to break this cycle and show you how to leverage your existing skills, learn new ones, and land your first VA gig, all without any prior professional experience. So let's dive into the nitty-gritty of how you can kickstart your virtual assistant's career even if your experience level is as empty as a teenager's gas tank. We're about to turn that tank from E to F, which is full of skills. Let's explore the key areas you need to focus on to become a VA extraordinaire. Let's kick things off with number 1. Master the art of communication. First things first, you need to become a communication ninja. Think of yourself as the James Bond of emails and messages. Smooth, efficient, and always on point. In the digital world, your words are your handshake, your smile, and your first impression all rolled into one. You can start by polishing your writing skills. Practice crafting clear and concise emails that would make even Shakespeare jealous. Your goal is to convey information efficiently while maintaining a friendly and professional tone. It's like being a linguistic acrobat. You need to balance clarity with personality, all while doing backflips through the hoops of proper grammar and punctuation. But wait, there's more. Communication isn't just about writing. You'll need to master the art of active listening too. When you're on a call with a client, tune in like you're trying to hear the winning lottery numbers. Pick up on those subtle cues. Ask smart questions and show that you're more attentive than a meerkat on lookout duty. And here's a pro tip. Use tools like Grammarly or Hemingway Editor to level up your writing game. It's like having a personal editor without the coffee addiction and red pen obsession. And for those video calls, practice your I'm totally listening face in the mirror. You know, the one where you nod thoughtfully and make occasional sounds. Just kidding. Well, sort of. Number 2. Become a time management guru. If you can manage your time well, you're already halfway to VA stardom. Think of yourself as the air traffic controller of tasks, keeping everything organized and running smoothly. But how do you actually do this? Let's break it down. First, you need to find your productivity groove. Are you a morning lark or a night owl? Do you work best in short, intense bursts or steady marathon sessions? Understanding your natural rhythms is like discovering your productivity superpower. Once you know when you're at your best, You can schedule your most challenging tasks at those peak hours. Next, get familiar with time management techniques. The Pomodoro technique, for instance, is like HIIT for your brain, since it consists of short bursts of focused work followed by brief rest periods. Or maybe you're more of a time blocking enthusiast, sectioning off your day like you're divvying up a pizza. You just need to find what works for you and stick to it. But here's the kicker: time management isn't just about managing your own time. As a VA, you'll often be in charge of your client's schedule too. You'll be juggling tasks like a circus performer on caffeine. The key is to prioritize ruthlessly. Use the Eisenhower matrix to sort tasks by urgency and importance. It's like being the bouncer at the club of productivity. Only the VIP tasks get in. And here's a fun fact: the average person spends 13 minutes per hour on distracting websites and apps. As a VA, you'll need to resist the siren call of social media scrolling and cat videos. Stay strong. Your future self and your clients will thank you. Number 3. Tech savvy is the new black. You don't need to be able to code the next Facebook, but being comfortable with technology is crucial. Think of technology as your trusty sidekick in the superhero movie of your VA career. You need to know its strengths, how to use it effectively, and when to call on it for backup. Start by mastering the basics. Get cozy with Microsoft Office or Google Workspace. These are your bread and butter, the foundation of your tech skills. Learn to create spreadsheets that would make an accountant weep with joy. Master the art of crafting presentations that don't put people to sleep. Next, familiarize yourself with project management tools. Trello, Asana, ClickUp, pick one and learn it inside out. These tools are like the Swiss Army knives of the digital world. They help you organize tasks, collaborate with teams, and keep projects on track. Imagine being able to juggle a dozen balls in the air, except the balls are tasks and your hands are these nifty digital tools. Communication platforms are another must. So Slack, Zoom, and Skype are your digital water coolers. Learn to navigate them like a pro. Know how to set up meetings, share screens, and troubleshoot when things go wrong. Because they can and will go wrong, usually right before an important client call. It's like Murphy's Law for the digital age. But here's the real secret to tech savviness: cultivate a learning mindset. Technology is like fashion, it's always changing. Today's hot new app could be tomorrow's MySpace. Remember MySpace? No? Well, maybe ask your parents. So stay curious, keep exploring, and don't be afraid to try new tools. Remember, becoming a tech guru isn't about knowing everything. It's about knowing how to find answers, so you just need to get good at Googling. It's a superpower in disguise. When in doubt, remember the IT crowd's magic question: have you tried turning it off and on again? Now, let's talk about Tim Ferriss, the author of The 4-Hour Workweek and a hugely successful entrepreneur. But did you know he started his journey as a virtual assistant? That's right. The productivity guru himself began by doing the digital hustle. Back in 2000, fresh out of college, Tim was working 14-hour days at a data storage company. Burnt out and looking for change, he stumbled into the world of virtual assistants. He started small, taking on basic tasks like data entry and email management. But Tim, being Tim, saw the potential for more. He began to specialize, focusing on efficiency and automation. He learned to leverage his skills, turning mundane tasks into opportunities for innovation. And as he grew more proficient, he started teaching others how to outsource effectively. This experience became the foundation for his best-selling book and his entire philosophy on work and life. Tim's journey from VA to global influencer is a testament to the power of starting small and constantly learning. The lesson? Your VA gig isn't just a job. It's a launchpad. Every task is an opportunity to learn, grow, and potentially discover your true calling. Who knows? Your VA experience might just be the first chapter in your very own success story. So there you have it. Anyone can become a virtual assistant with the right mindset, skills, and determination. Remember, master communication, become a time management wizard, and embrace technology. Also, never stop learning. Your lack of experience isn't a roadblock. It's an opportunity to carve your own unique path. Also, if you could choose any celebrity or successful person to be a virtual assistant for, who would it be and why? Share your dream VA gig in the comments below. Let's get creative and have some fun with this. And well, that's basically how to be a virtual assistant without experience. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.